us with the measuring. Oh, okay. Yes, we will. We will social distance.
Roll.
There we go. There we go.
So.
There. Okay.
How's
folks.
everybody else out there doing? Are you cooped up and stir crazy yet?
I bet they are. Are they working on their dubs? That's what we really want to know. Yeah. Show us your dubs.
Show us your dub.
Come on, man.
So, we want to know what you guys are all doing. I mean, I know it's the world seems like it's kind of gone crazy, but it's always been crazy. You just kind of got to roll with it. So so we're still working.
Yeah.
We've got a fairly large shop.
Yep.
So and there's only 5 of us in here, so we're good.
Yep.
No cases of illness or sickness or something.
No.
So he's been tested already.
Who? Oh, Darren was, yeah.
Yeah, his wife's a nurse. So.
Okay, well that's good then.
So we got another bus in here.
Yeah, show me. Like, this is this had some interesting
History.
Yeah.
Sort of.
Especially recently.
This bus is owned by the same guy who owns Rusty Bus, Mr. Dan.
Oh, you guys.
So.
Just for reference, so he likes some Rusty and.
Well, he buys them Rusty and sends them to us.
Right.
So we're not doing a full restoration on this, and which I know is unheard of. We're going to save the patina.
Whoa.
So what had happened is he picked up the car.
Yeah.
Or picked up the bus, and drove it home. About 4 hours away. He was 40 minutes or 20 minutes from his house, and some lady was texting or talking on the phone while driving, tagged him in the rear corner, put him into a wall.
Oh.
So, broke the mirror, obviously.
Yeah.
But all of this stuff is where he went skating up along the wall.
Oh.
Ended up crushing that over. So our plan, I talked with him today, is basically to fix the repairs so we can open and close the doors.
Yeah.
And get the suspension correct.
Right. All right.
Like, we'll do a little bit of banging in here, and then we'll.
And what is this?
This is a 59 double door panel, which means if you stand over there, stand over here.
Okay.
And you can see Shannon from the other side.
Are we 6 feet? Oh, we're 6 feet.
Yeah.
Good. Hey.
Hey!
So this is a
This is really
very
nice.
rare bus.
Yeah.
We go straight on through.
That's fantastic.
But go take a look at the other side.
Yeah. So this doesn't look so bad, right? I mean, until. Oh, Dan.
So even broke the rim too. A couple places.
Wow. And what's up with this front?
Oh, it's only being held together with a tie rod. A bent tie rod at that.
Oh. This was fun getting it off the hauler, right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
It's like I actually just made suggestions and helped here and there. The guys actually figured out how to do this. Took us what, an hour and a half?
Something like that, yeah, about an hour and a half.
4 guys?
4 guys, hour and a half, and then I was in there for part of that. But
Poor bus. So are you gonna candy coat it or?
no, I don't think so.
It's really pretty.
I think we're just going to bang it out, and we'll do some faux patina on the replacement panel that we're going to do.
Oh, okay, for the back.
Yeah, Rodney and I kind of came up with a game plan on this one.
Nice.
So this is our next one.
I like it.
Kind of a cool bus.
It is.
I like it.
It really is. 59, huh?
59, yeah.
All right. So what else you got going?
Getting range closer and closer to color. So here's the 6-foot roll. We're just we're making light of it, even though there are a lot of people who are sick and not doing good, and a lot of people are all worried about the economy, and it's like you're just stressing yourself out.
So we heard a good quote about anxiety, right?
Yeah, anxiety is just energy looking for a place to happen or a place to go. Mm-hmm. So a lot of you have a lot of anxiety about uncertainty, and guess what? It's always been uncertain.
Sure.
Everything is.
So it's all like that, and one of the best things you can do is really to just get something done.
Yeah, and it's
create
like
something, make good use of the
have
time.
some fun. Spend it with your kids. I know, some of my author friends are actually doing little short stories, and I think it's kind of cool. I've seen a lot of homeschooling for my nieces. And my
they
nephews.
even did like Spirit Week. They had pajama day.
Oh, yeah, pajama day, and I think today is wear one color day.
Yep, solid color day.
And I think that's really cool. You know, it's like you're getting to know your kids again and getting to teach them. And guess what? You can take off that honor student thing off the back of your sticker or the back of your car, because now you get to see what your kids are really like. But
it's true. A lot of people are doing very cool things. You know, the creativity comes out. The
you know, and
resilience,
you know, if you're a
the
fisherman,
resourcefulness.
if you're a fisherman, go fishing.
Yeah.
It's like, you know, I mean, you're going to be 6 feet away from anybody anyway because of, you know, you don't want to get hooked. So
That's a good point.
it's just, you know, keep it sensible, keep it smart. You know, I'm one of the old guys that it's like I think people lost their damn mind just because they're buying all the toilet paper, which I really don't understand. That just blows my mind. And it's just like, good luck finding toilet paper. But being an old guy, we were already stocked up on it. So, you know, it's just one of them things.
Yeah.
So, you know, keep it safe, folks. Keep it sensible. Need some rigging material, go buy our book, How to Restore a VW Beetle, available on Amazon. We'll put a link in the click of this thingy. And do us a favor, though. Hit that like and subscribe button. Look at this day.
I know, this is kind of nice.
So,
Getting some sun after all that rain.
yeah, I mean, it's still wet back here. But,
Yeah, the boneyard is half
this-
underwater, but
You know, so what we're trying to do, folks, is we're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers.
yeah.
And that really would help us out so we can keep doing all this great content and enjoy it. You know, we're going to be doing this stuff no matter what, but, you know, we'd really rather have people watching it. So
Well, sure.
go see what the guys are doing.
All right. It's kind of nice out here. I don't know if I want to go in.
Yeah, kind of the same way. I was like,
I'm
I've
gonna
been doing
work
all my
outside.
phone calls out there.
Yeah, I'm going to work outside later. All right, Stony Baloney, what you working on, man? How's it going? What are you doing? Aren't we done with this yet?
Not close.
Not even close, huh?
I'm close. Stick stuff.
Yeah.
Making sure it's mixed before we paint it so we don't have to mess it afterwards.
Good plan. Very good plan. That's good. You feeling all right?
Yeah, I feel good.
Good.
No
You
problem.
know, do you notice much of a difference in your day-to-day?
Traffic slider. That's
Traffic
about it.
slider, yeah. Definitely.
People going crazy.
Oh, yeah. All right,
That's about
cool.
it.
Let's see what else everybody else is up to. There you go. Hey, Rodney.
Hey,
How's it going?
not too bad.
What you doing?
Trying to get Mr. car wired.
Oh, good.
So we're getting there.
That's
All
great.
the lights and stuff are all wired. Right now I'm just wiring in the gauges and the switches.
Fantastic.
Things. Trying to make a
Everybody likes the juice, huh?
buggy's done. It's already wired, so this is my next project. So
Wonderful.
we'll be done with this here.
Excellent. All right. How's your day to day? Any different or
No different.
pretty much the
I
same?
don't get out much.
Yeah. That's what we were saying.
Pretty
Like,
much. We
oh,
just
wow.
go get groceries, you know, and then my wife does the call ahead, so I just pick it up.
Oh, that's good. Ours won't do that right now.
We just stopped. Well, we had to wait like 4 days.
Yeah.
Kirk-
Ours is like, no, you
Kirkland
can't
had
do
to
it
wait
at
like
all.
4 days.
Yeah.
We placed it on like Friday, and they said, no, you can't pick it up till Sunday.
Right.
Well,
Yeah.
Thursday, and then we couldn't pick it up till Sunday. But
Right.
Anyway.
Yeah.
So we do that anyway, and we don't normally go anywhere that we don't have to.
That's the thing. We're like, oh, wow. Huh.
Yeah.
Our lifestyle was called quarantine all along.
Yeah. So we just stop like on the way home or whatever. If we need to pick up something small, we just pick up something small.
That's
It's
good.
no big deal. It's not much
That's
different
good.
than what we normally do.
Yeah, we're pretty isolated anyway, folks.
Yeah. So we pretty well stay at home anyway. I got the grass mowed yesterday and stuff done. So
Great. Excellent.
things done around the house. So hopefully this one should be done maybe next week.
It sure is like looking
As far as
good.
wiring and stuff should be done next day or two.
Great.
We really just have gauges to put in, hook up the ignition switch and the turn signals, which is what I'm working on now. And then front windshield can go in, and once we test electrical, the hood will go back on and all that stuff. So
Great.
looks like a mess right there, but that's all right.
Everything always looks worse before it looks better.
Oh yeah.
Great.
We're getting there though.
You're getting there.
We are getting there. This
You've
one's
had-
probably about 75% done or so.
Oh, good. All right.
We're getting there.
Fantastic.
So we got seats are all ready to go and everything. Carpet's on its way here. So
Are these? This is the new seat. That's really nice.
so we use the same existing door panels and stuff. And just kind of reconfigured that back seat a little bit. The front seats actually look really good. They're in good shape. He just wants to go ahead and put carpet in it. So.
Oh, nice. All right, great.
So it'll probably be about 90-95% finished when he gets it, but he can put the radio in it and little stuff.
Oh, that's good.
We just got like quarter windows, front glass.
Sweet.
Finish up the wiring.
All right,
No
let's
big
get
deal.
there.
Nothing they can't handle or we can't handle.
Yeah, awesome. Fantastic.
Oh, you can have to chase Darren. He's back there.
Yeah, he's fast.
He doesn't like being on video.
He's working.
He's working.
Grabbing parts. So show us what you guys are working on. You know?
Yeah.
What is it? Make a comment.
No, we'd love to see.
I
Or
don't
if
know
you
if
have
you...
questions
Or
or
$1 cars I got to work
Oh,
around
really?
back
Oh, so
there
you-
with carrying a rusty
so you're
seat.
suggesting some care and
Well, yeah, yeah, take a little bit of time. It's soft.
Customizing the heck out of that thing.
yeah. There we go. There we go. So yeah, tell me what you're up to.
I am doing several things. At
Yes.
once, but these are the seats for, and I don't even know the name on the.
Oh, Cabrals. Okay.
Yeah, so we're gonna start
Oh
covering these, I guess.
wow. Oh, that's great. That's gonna be exciting to see that one
Yeah,
get
because I'm
ready.
kind of like at a standstill on the Porsche, but I got a little few things on there, and then we're gonna have to wait on some stuff, and then I'm gotta wait on a couple things for Caden. So
Okay.
Now we're moving on to some other things. So yeah,
That's
we'll
awesome.
Start working on the seats on this guy back here and see what we can do.
Great. You're getting a hand in like all the projects.
Yeah.
The way he likes it. Don't let it fool you.
Good. Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
The smorgasbord of activity.
Yeah, it does. I mean, it won't let me touch that box right there, though. I'm
Not yet.
Oh
You're getting
man,
there. You got
Yeah.
the front seat to redo. We just found that.
this thing is.
What? I told you.
He says somebody else needs to get trained in upholstery. Don't know where Shannon is.
He's on deck.
He's on deck. All right,
This whole box?
we'll go see.
This
All right, sounds good.
See you guys.
Oh, okay. So he decided not to stay rustic with the seat, huh? That seat is pretty
I
rustic.
just found out like 30 minutes ago.
Yeah.
We tried to find out 35.
Well, there's Shannon.
Wow.
How are you? What are you up to?
I'm getting down to the final touches on Mr. Fonseca's rail.
You sure are.
Yeah,
Wow, this has come a long way.
Yes, it has. Right now I'm working on getting the pedals where they're positioned just right.
Okay.
Because originally they were way forward, so...
He was squished.
Yeah, well, no, they was way forward this way where you had to stretch out to get them.
all
So
right,
bringing
the
them up
opposite.
where they need to be.
Yeah, okay.
Somebody in the past just threw this thing together, I think, but we'll get it.
That's a little bitty steering wheel.
Yes, it is. And it is quick release.
Oh, why?
Well, it'd make it easier we think, for getting in and out,
Oh, okay.
and climbing in and out of it and everything.
Oh, that's cool.
We just
good.
sent off the front bumper for powder coat.
Okay.
Should have it back next week.
Great.
Other than that, once I finish the pedals on it, this thing should be ready to test drive.
Oh, that's just going to be such a drag. You're not going to want to test drive that, I'm sure.
Oh, whatever.
Won't be any fun at all.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, I think it'd be a little
A
fun.
little bit of fun.
I think we're still talking about a windshield for it, though, but I'm not for certain.
Oh, all right.
I mean, it was talked about, but I don't know if it's going to happen or not.
Would it
And-
be glass or plastic? Or?
It'd be plexiglass.
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, that makes sense.
Yeah. But of course, most people when they drive these, they have, full face helmets and stuff like that. So-
Probably a smart thing
And this
to
is
do.
actually Mr. Fonseca's son's.
Oh, okay.
And then once we're finished with this one, then we'll get started on his, which is outside.
The blue one, right?
No, it's
Is it-
green.
it's green?
It's still
Okay.
green right now. Yeah, it's going to be that. It's going
Oh,
to be
yeah.
a desert brown. Is
Okay.
what it's going to end up being.
Yeah. Oh,
So-
that'll be fun. This is cool. We had until like this year. I don't think we've had rails in here for a long. Like,
Yeah, and they talk about bringing them in. I was like, hey,
yeah, sure, why
I'll
not?
do them. I don't care. It's still a dub.
It's absolutely. That's
It's
cool.
just open.
Yeah, not a whole lot
Not
of
less
body.
to it. Yeah, I mean, there's really not much more to them. If you was to put a body on it, then it look like a regular boat.
Yep. Oh, this is cool. I love
Yeah.
the huge tires. That's good.
Oh yes, those are. I think we're talking about possibly studding them.
Oh,
We have
wow.
some more grip.
All right.
We'll see.
Yeah.
But motor should be tuned. We should have the motor already tuned. We'll know better once we get to drive it.
Yeah.
All the lights are hooked up. Everything's hooked up and ready. We've actually run this motor some already. It's just got run time. Don't have no driving time
Okay.
yet.
Sure.
Brand new 1776
Yeah.
with it's a dual port with dual carbs.
It's gonna be zippy, huh?
Oh yeah, I tell you to pull the front wheels.
Great. Well, this will be fun.
Then let's see what's up.
Ooh.
LED tail lights on it.
Look at that.
And
That's awesome.
where's the light bar? Oh, there it goes.
Ooh.
Yeah, we got the bright light bar on top.
Super fancy.
Yes, it's got LEDs and fog lights
Oh
on
my.
it. Yeah.
That sounds great. Very fun. All right.
Yes.
Well, keep it up. This is
Oh,
getting
yeah.
close to being done.
Yes, we should go drive it today, I would hope. Yes, it's a
Perfect
nice
day
day.
for it.
Yes,
Oh.
we need to get out 1 hour.
I think that's a great thing.
Yes.
We'll social distance the heck out of this thing.
Yeah. So social distance away from the shop for a little while.
There we go. There we go. All right. Well, say goodbye to the nice people.
Bye bye. Y'all stay.